Hi everyone, I'm Gino from Prosperna's marketing team. Our mission is to empower 100,000 SMEs with simple and affordable e-commerce software to help you grow your business. Welcome back to the professional level of the Prosperna Training Certification Series. Previously, we taught you about blogs and vlogs. For this lesson, we'll discuss Facebook marketing and how you can use it to boost sales on your online store. In our lesson about social media, we talked about creating a page on different channels to expand your online presence and customer reach. Facebook, to this day, is still the largest social media network with 2.4 billion users. With the Philippines as the social media capital of the world, it's only right that you leverage Facebook to market your business. Here's how to do it. Number 1. Fill it up with content. The primary difference between a personal profile and a business page is content. Your Facebook page should be filled up with information about your brand for commercial and promotional purposes. This is where you should interact and engage with your target market about your products, services, and what your business stands for. You can introduce your online store on the About section by writing a description and leaving the links to your website and other social media channels so people know where to reach you. Anybody can see your page, so it's important that it's brimming with relevant information such as your basic company contact details, product releases, store promotions and announcements, preview your product catalog, trending topics related to your business, share blogs and vlogs from your website, answer to FAQs, customer reviews, start a Facebook event, live, or contest. There are so many types of content you can share on your Facebook page. It can be an image, video, or article, you name it. In doing so, you generate reach, likes, comments, and shares that builds customer relationships and eventually leads people into your sales funnel. Number 2. Distribute to your target audience. After creating content, you need to determine the type of audience to showcase your products to. Depending on your buyer persona, there are few places where you can publish and share your website content, apart from your Facebook page, such as group chats, Facebook groups, comment sections of related Facebook pages. It's important for you to make sure that you're delivering content to the right audience within your target market. We created an entire video explaining how to use your Facebook page to drive website traffic and sales conversion. The link will be in the description box below. Number 3. Engagement is key. Encourage people to visit your page and website by interacting with them as much as possible. Once you create content for your Facebook page, there are some practices you should know to make the most out of your marketing strategies. Create captions that tell a story and address your audience's goals and objectives. Upload high-quality images. Schedule your posts when your audience is most active. Respond to messages and comments timely. Listen to people and use your content to provide answers. The whole idea is to be human on social media. Be proactive in initiating conversations to get the word out there and being a good listener. Number 4. Boosting and advertising. Other tools on Facebook that you can use to promote are post boosting and creating a Facebook ad. Boosting a post is a form of advertisement that appears on the news feed without the detailed campaign customization features that are available within Facebook for Business ads. This is optimized for page likes, comments, shares, and brand awareness, whereas Facebook for Business ads can do more by optimizing website conversions, views, shop orders, and more. As a rule of thumb, if you want to develop your brand awareness and audience engagement within Facebook, you should boost. But if you want to take it up a notch and have people call to action, like visiting your online store and hopefully make a purchase, Facebook for Business ads are the way to go. When you do invest in Facebook ads, you should install a Facebook pixel on your website so you can properly track Facebook customer actions on your website and let Facebook know which activity and events on your website to be aware of for ad targeting. Facebook for business advertising is one of the fastest ways to get measurable and targeted visits, conversions, and sales. Having a Prosperna online store is one key part of your success formula. Now, it's up to you to promote it, and the ROI on Facebook ads are very compelling. Number 5. Facebook Insights. At the end of your marketing campaigns, you need to take a look at your analytics to determine the success of your campaign. You can check this on your page settings under Facebook Insights. This is mainly where you can see the data of your organic reach on Facebook without spending on advertisements. From there, you can view different results of your content, including engagement in the form of likes, shares, and comments, as well as clicks, opens, leads generated, and purchases. These are categorized by content type and can help you decide whether you're doing well in reaching your target market or if you will need to start boosting some posts. That's it for this lesson. Here's a refresher to help you remember. Fill it up with content, distribute to your target audience, engagement is key, boosting and advertising, and Facebook Insights. Next time, we'll talk about WhatsApp marketing. You can also visit our website for more online resources at www.prosperna.com/resources. See you on our next training course. Happy selling!